Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to showcase another Lego set that I've just picked up. Now you can see this Lego set fits in quite well with the theme of some of my videos. Now you can see it's a bank that is being robbed, and that's the way that a lot of the banks that I've been going into and asking to draw out some cash, they've made me feel. They've made me feel like I'm doing something wrong. They've made me feel like I'm a bank robber. I'm walking in there asking to draw out my own cash and they're making me feel like I shouldn't be doing that. So I think it fits quite well with the theme of some of my videos, and it will be an interesting backdrop to have a bank made out of Lego in the back of some of my videos with silver around it when I'm talking about going to the bank and CBDCs and all the rest of it. So cool little Lego build. As you know from my previous Lego build of the safe, it won't be me personally that makes this, it'll be Mrs. 365. That is her speciality. She's the person that's into Lego. So she'll be doing the build and I will show you the progress as it comes along. And like I said, I think it'll be quite cool to have a Lego bank in the backdrop with some silver around it as kind of, like I said, a backdrop when I'm talking about CBDCs and all the rest of it. So yeah, it fits in quite well with the channel. So that's why I picked it up. You can see I've got some of my YouTube stack out here for you to see today. I've got a nice bottle of whiskey there. Gold Reserve. I don't know if any of you have heard of it, but it's a really nice whiskey. I bought it from Amazon. It was £44 reduced to £25, so I thought I'll give it a try, and it's actually a really nice whiskey. I've actually got a glass on the go now. So in today's video I wanted to suggest an idea that I've thought about. So I know a lot of people like to keep their precious metal stacks private, and that's kind of why a lot of people invest in precious metals, because it's something that's off the books and they don't really go around telling everyone about it. Some people don't even tell their close family or friends that they stack precious metals. But I thought I could do a video where if you want to send in a photo or even a video of your precious metal stack, now my email address will be in the description of this video, and if you send me a photo or, like I said, a video of your stack, and I'll collate all those videos and pictures together and I'll make a video and we can watch it and go through it. So it's a way of you kind of showcasing your stack while staying anonymous, because obviously when I put the photos and the videos together, I won't include your email address or your name or obviously anything like that. If there's like a little summary of your stack or whatever you want to include in the email that you want me to read out, I'm happy to do that. But I thought it might be quite a cool idea, because I know there are a lot of people out there that have really impressive stacks and they don't really have anyone to be able to share it with, because they don't want to go around telling the whole world that they have precious metals, and they don't like the idea of starting a YouTube channel. It's not really their thing, or like I said, they don't want to do it because of security reasons. But I thought it's a cool way of people being able to showcase their stacks. I could even review the stacks if you like. I could talk through them and say what I like the look of and all the rest of it. And like I said, if you want to leave like a short brief description of your stack attached to the photo in the email, then I can read that out as well, and it will be completely anonymous. So do let me know what you think about that idea. If you're up for that, do send me a photo or, like I said, a short video of your precious metal stack to my email address, and in a few weeks time I'll put them all together, and then I think it'll make quite a cool video to be able to showcase your precious metals without actually kind of showing who you are or anything like that. So it'll be like an anonymous way, if you like, of showcasing your stacks. And I bet there's a lot of people out there that watch my videos that have really impressive stacks, and they've been stacking for many years, many more years longer than me. I've only been stacking for a couple of years now, so I guarantee there's some people, and I know for a fact there's some people that watch my videos that have been stacking for sort of 40-50 years. So you must have really impressive stacks. But like I said, you haven't got YouTube channels. You don't really want to go around talking about it. It's not like you can go down the pub or go to work or get a picture up on your phone and go, oh, look at all these precious metals I've got sitting in my house, because that's just not what you want to be doing. But yeah, let me know what you think about that. I thought it'd be quite a cool idea for you to be able to send your photo to me anonymously, and I'll put them all together in a video, and then we can almost show them off to the world without you putting your stack at jeopardy, at risk kind of thing, because no one will know who you are or anything like that. So yeah, just an idea I had there. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section. And like I said, if you're interested in doing that and you want to feature on one of my future videos, you want your picture of your precious metal stack on one of my videos, do drop me an email. It'll be really cool to put together. And I think also just seeing your stacks and what you hold, I think it'll be very interesting and inspiring, especially those of you, like I said, that have been stacking for many years and you've accumulated a lot of precious metals. I'll be really interested to kind of see what items you're picking up, whether you're stacking all the same thing, whether you're kind of like myself where you stack lots of different items, you like picking up different things from around the world. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. If you're interested, like I said, drop me an email, drop me a video, drop me a photo, and we'll put that video together in a few weeks' time. So as always, thanks very much for all the support. We've just hit 6,200 subscribers, I believe. So yeah, crazy, going really, really fast. I only just did the video today about the 500 subscriber video. So it's getting to a stage where we're going to be pretty much drawing that around about the time that I announce my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, if the channel continues to grow the way it's been growing. So yeah, it's, like I said before, it's really overwhelming. I really appreciate all the support, and I'm doing my best. I know a couple of people have sent me messages saying that I haven't been replying to comments. Well, I think there was one person that said I haven't been replying to comments, but trust me, I am replying to comments, and there's so many coming through. I'm getting sort of probably 100 comments a day, and I'm probably replying to 50 comments a day, for example. So it's obviously going to take me a while to catch up, and I've had a few videos that have gone really, really well, so they've got a lot of views, so obviously they're bringing in lots of comments, and I do want to get through to everyone's comments. I am trying to reply to everyone's comments. The minimum I will do is thumbs up and heart your comment to show that I've actually read it, but I am trying to reply to comments, and I do reply to as many comments as I can. It's just very tough to kind of keep on top of it, and I have made a video in the past explaining the difficulties of keeping up with the comments. At the same time, I don't want you to think that I'm not reading them, because I read every single comment. So yeah, like I said, thanks very much for all the support. Hope you like this video idea. Hope you're going to enjoy watching me, well, Mrs365 put this Lego set together. And like I said, it'll be quite a cool thing to have in the back of some of my videos. I can put some silver around it, and I think it'll be quite a nice setup. So yeah, as always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a nice day.